poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. Yeah, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my.
Hello Suhaida, what are you doing right now?
I'm cooking lunch. How about you?
I'm working on office tasks, but I've already finished half of it.
Wow, that's fast. I've just bought groceries this morning, so I haven't cleaned the kitchen yet.
Oh really? I've also gone to the market this week. You've been cooking a lot lately, haven't you?
Yes, I've been trying new recipes. Since when have you been interested in cooking?
Since I've watched cooking videos online, but I've never tried of a default recipe.
Huh? I failed 3 times at making souffle, but I have given up.
Okay, I have to get back to work now. See you later.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm continuing cooking. Ah, ha!